Welcome everyone to every day one or two more things. Actually compiling here the release of T2 Scary Fast 2310. It came to me with all the 34 build combinations from X86 to ARM and GCC and Musel and stuff, that for X32, the not as popular as it should be, super high performance, like 13 or so, higher performance, 64-bit with 32-bit pointers, AM64, ABI, Application Binary Interface, that we are not yet building Firefox, but it came to me, we do so for 486 and MIPS and stuff. So it should theoretically be possible. So I wonder one more thing, can we actually build Firefox for the X32 32-bit pointer, X64-64, AMD 64-bit variant? For that we only need Rust. With Rust there, theoretically this should be possible to build. Maybe there's also a regression, recurring theme, one more regression. Like one more thing and one more regression. Test building that here already. We're getting somewhere. I also need to leave soon, so we only have a couple of minutes. So what can we get done in 20 minutes max or so? I guess it's which Tuesday. So cargo failed, could not compile, so that is only the linker. And so the error messages as usual suck. If I would write my linker, I would, it's like a super amazing linker and stuff, but the error message like, why can you not, sure, incompatible i386 64, oh wait, 60, it actually, there is X64-32. Interesting, but usually it says just either some number or machine. Actually, that looks like, so it's just using the linker there slightly wrong. The question is, what precisely does it do here? And I believe Rust also failed, which, how many? I only built this with 20 threads, should be enough. So it is using the right linker, so X64, why does YouTube want bitrate? Nah, thank you much. So the question is also, did it build previously? But this is an error we currently see here, because what would they do wrong now? We fix this so many combinations and yet X32 fails. Like, how can this constantly freaking fail? Maybe the problem is not the linker. Maybe the problem is that it built some file here wrong. Maybe it's running the ring. That's also the Guru meditation. Yes, this also fails. Probably Rust fails the same. Let's rename that too. Usually I touch that, but slightly clever is what I'm not doing. Usually not. Just a regular phone call. So renaming has the benefit. So because I want to continue the build, renaming has the benefit that we have still have the log file here too. Because usually I touch that and then we lose the log file. I guess that is our cannot emit physrec copy instruction. What? Okay, that is slightly different. Cannot emit physical register copy instruction. Oh, that's a new one. Never seen freaking that before. The crazy stuff is it used to build, right? Well, not Firefox, but Rust. Following C++ fails. Using 32-bit address space crashes and backend. This isn't exactly the 32-bit I'm familiar with. This is still open. Cool. Open since 2022, which is only 1 year. Here is something older. On I get cannot emit seeing this too. Cool. Shit not fixed in 3 years. That's unfortunate. To the specific target cannot copy. Set in 4 to RDI. Okay. The good thing is we do not, I mean, we could skip that for the moment. We are mostly interested in Firefox, so whether all of Rust build, I mean, would be nice, but if that is not fixed in 3 years, maybe it's a complex reason why it isn't. Cool, also LVM. So yeah, that all this stuff is there as usual. RPCS3 due to influx of spam cannot emit notify other issues, whatever. So yeah, the thing happening longer, not the latest LVM version. Okay, Firefox. So that is interesting. So of course, if we want that, we can't build the JIT because we would need to implement 32-bit address space ABI to the JIT, but the other stuff has the potential to potentially build, so we would have a JIT-less Firefox, which is not that bad, because Microsoft did some research a year ago and found for 90% of the use, JIT does not improve performance because the JavaScript only runs once or twice and stuff, all the add shit and other site layout stuff, so yeah. X32 var ADM Firefox. So this configuration doesn't agree. Let's see. Although we probably need to patch Firefox. Checking for 64-bit OS. Where does this stuff not agree? I mean, obviously we would need to patch the Firefox configure stuff a little bit because few other people are crazy enough to even try this for GNU X32. Does not agree with configuration about target bitness. Configure pi, is that? This is always a little bit shitty to read. Which precisely is that? This one, that one? The value, Windows registry? No, I don't have a Windows registry. Most recent call last. Line in module. Right, this exec file. Most recent call last, it should be this one here. Did I util configure line 20? Programming error to configure. Ah, this is. Yeah, Python error handling. What could possibly go wrong? So that is just. Or do various freaking. Yeah, do I really need to grab this? Are you kidding me? Let's see if let's grab this. We probably should find that, hopefully. (2023) grab the toolchain configure. Is this at all in the freaking log? Toolchain configure, there in the middle it is of the check F64, but no, okay, there it is. That's the wrong file. Which freaking line was it even? have 64, compiler have 64. Okay, we probably, so yeah, I mean, this stuff is recurring. Is there, I mean, Firefox X32 patch, has anyone else? Gentoo stuff. Firefox won't build, fails to build. No surprise there. Was this here discussed as something useful of? Is this the same widget? I mean, it might significantly have changed. No, yada, so anything useful. Just give up and use x86_64 for now. 64, where is this? We don't give up so lightly. This yes. Have 64, so check have, compiler have, check have, depends. Where is this set? Try compile. So that is correct, but where is depends F64, but where is that freaking stuff? Here is init, maybe. F64-bit. Set config, have 64-bit. F64-bit target bitness. Okay, bitness. I mean, the names suck. Where is the freaking canonical bitness, CPU bitness? Yeah, this has no point of being hard-coded, right? If, I mean, just compile the code and here are some comparisons. Where is freaking, I mean, they have alpha, but for sure this will not build, right? I mean, maybe, yeah, it built 20 years ago. It's like CPU in alpha, or alpha. Yay. Can never check enough for alpha. Huh? Okay, they check this together, but that certainly triggers some people. Hey, there is still an IS64 check in Firefox, go figure. Where is the Funkung? Have 64-bit target. Did I not grab this already? Have 64-bit. Define. Where is it coming from? Target, target bitness. Bitness, CPU bitness. Yeah, I mean, you cannot make it more annoying. It's CPU bitness, please. CPU bitness, constants. I mean, we could for a test this is a little bit I mean, this is anyway, I mean, this is misleading, right? This is, I mean, what bitness? Pointer versus not pointer. Integer long, yeah. We could, for a test, patch that. I'm not sure if I had support for, I mean, because I'm not sure if, do we have, no, let's test it like that and see how far we get. We definitely need to patch it away. And maybe a couple of other things, but I mean, there is some fallback code and it builds for like MIPS and some other stuff. But yeah, I have to basically also rush away. Hey, this still configures. Oh, starts building. I obviously don't have the highest hopes that will build through in one pass. I mean, it's also silly. Okay, this failed already. In this get random, static error. In MFBT random static searching should match the actual sysget random value. Cool. Yeah, I mean, we could hack also AMD GPUs crashing. Welcome to IT Live in 2023. You can't make this up. What? Yeah, thanks AMD. Amazing. Steam Deck, Valve. So yeah, there is, I mean, it starts to configure. We obviously need to patch that properly and the rest. But given that other fallback C code builds for 486, even MIPS and stuff, with some finger greasy of Guru meditations, that should be possible. So share, like, subscribe, Patreon, YouTube membership and stuff. And otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this, learned something. Have a good day and night, and I see you soon for maybe eventually Firefox on X32. Maybe that would be a first again. Or really currently one more